Hey, what's up everyone? James here and welcome to Good Dude TV. On this episode, I'm going to be exploring an abandoned mechanic shop. We found this roadside while we were out traveling and decided to check it out. So, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so there you have it for this video on the abandoned mechanic shop. There wasn't much left, but what was still told a story. I want to say thank you all for watching. Happy holidays. Be safe out there and keep creating. I'll catch you on the next episode.